Alright guys, so I'm back. Just want to show you a little something neat. I'm going to insert here a PLC card. Just going to drop it about here. That looks good. We're not sure. I'm going to put in some T-notes here. I'm going to grab some T-notes. That's the right one. Just going to grab it from here. Drag a line down all the way down there. Then I'm going to grab here an elbow connect for the bottom one. Close that off. I'm going to go here and continue my 24 VDC. So 24 VDC. So he's got the link made. I want to put probably some push buttons here. Grab a couple of push buttons. Go grab a couple of limit switches. I could put a couple of V-stops right about here. Good. And just gonna insert some limit switches. Rotate that sucker, put it there. And I'm gonna put in some terminals. Just put in a nice terminal strip right here. X to lock my ortho. Alright, so here I have my terminal strip DB6. And I'm just gonna go here. Automatic wire numbering, and I'm gonna place all my markers. Fine, and I'm gonna designate all my markers now. Okay, so they're all my wire tags. Fine, that's done. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna assign some parts. I'm looking for a Weidmuller part actually, and I don't have it, so I'm gonna go find it on the data portal. So turn on the data portal. I'm looking for my 10419225. Search for that sucker right there. That's going to be this WDK4N, and I'm just going to, from the data portal, I'm just going to import that part into my parts database. So I'm just going to import the part. I'm going to put it on my schematic. Okay, so I'm just going to close that up, and here what I'm going to do, I'm going to highlight all these all these terminals, and I'm going to go device selection, and actually I think, yeah, I'm going to go here to terminals. These guys are actually a 2 connection point, just regular 2 terminal. Hit apply. I'm going to go here to my parts tab, do a smart selection with my device selection. And should be down here. This is the one I just picked. Hit OK. Fine, hit OK. That part's going to be assigned. Now what I want to do from here is I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to go to Utilities, Raildesigner, and I'm going to export. So fine. Here I'm going to pick the software, which is the Raildesigner5. Export and start the Raildesigner. Hit OK. He's going to export my scheme. So he's going to export my XML file. And at the same time he should start the Raildesigner software from Weidmuller. You can go ahead and download that program from the Weidmuller website. And here this seems to be an issue that I've spoken to the guys at Weidmuller, and they seem to be aware of, and they're going to be correcting it in the later versions. And there you go, this is your Weidmuller program right now. So I'm going to grab my terminal strip 6, I'm going to import that one. I'll import everything from it, the rail and everything. So here you go, these are all your strip, your rails with all the right parts. You got your markers. You can start playing around with the Raildesigner software probably to play a little bit with your marker tags and so on and so forth. Probably even rotate your tags. Gonna select my labeling position. I think that's it. Anywho, yeah, and just change the orientation. You can play around with the software, and then you can also probably export in 3D if you want to see what your rail is going to look like in a 3D environment. So these are nice little tools that permit you to see certain functionality of the interfaces between the different interfaces between EPLAN Electric P8 version 2.0, Service Pack 1, and also other softwares out there that also have different kind of interconnectivity with EPLAN.